A very warm welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be making a breakfast idea, which is tortilla wrap with egg, ham, canned beef and some vegetables. I'm Yummy Cash. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. In this bowl, I'll break 2 medium-sized eggs. I'll add in some pepper, chopped onions, salt to taste, half teaspoon of black and white pepper respectively. I'll beat the mixture very well and then set it aside. In this pan, I'll add about 1 tablespoon of oil and then go in with some canned beef once the oil is hot. So I'm going to fry the canned beef for about 3 minutes on a very high heat. This is because I want to prevent nausea when I am eating it. So if you do not want to fry it and you're okay with it without doing anything to it, then please go ahead and add it to your tortilla wrap just like that. Once I'm okay with that, I take everything out from the pan and then set it aside. So once again, I'll add about 1 tablespoon of the oil and then pour in the beaten eggs. So I added additional 2 eggs to the already 2 beaten eggs. So in total, I'm using 4 medium-sized eggs. Now I'm going to scramble the eggs and fry it very well. Now it took me about like 3 to 4 minutes to fully cook the egg. There is this question a friend of mine asked me, whether is tortilla wrap healthy or not. So I'd like to ask you, is tortilla wrap healthy? To me, it depends. Some of the tortilla wraps are very healthy. As you can see on the screen, this is an example of what I'll be using for my wrap. And the writing on it, you can see A, B, C, D, E. Now, the A stands for something that is very healthy, according to my 6-year-old daughter. So with the tortilla wrap, it depends on the type that you will be using. Okay, so number 1, tortilla wrap is good. Yes, it is healthy depending on the type of tortilla that you are using. Now I'll give you a second example, so continue watching. To make the spread, in a bowl I add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of honey, and about 1/3 cup of milk. Now I go in with a little bit or a pinch of salt, give this a very good mix and then set it aside. Now my second question to you is tortilla wrap good for weight loss? Such a big question, right? So I'm using this flaxseed tortilla which a friend recommended. I'll start by spreading the mayonnaise mix on the whole surface of the tortilla. I will then layer it with some salad leaves, and this is Romanian salad leaves, but feel free to use lettuce or any salad leaves of your choice. I will follow it with some chicken ham. Hey. Then the scrambled eggs. I'll then add a little of the fried corned beef, some pickled onions, some carrots, and some sweet bell peppers. So I'll add the mayonnaise mixture as the last toppings and then fold it nicely. So folding it can be really difficult, especially when your fillings is too much. So consider buying a big tortilla wrap. Mine was a little bit small because this is the first time I'm actually using this type of tortilla wrap. So let me answer the second question. Is tortilla wrap good for weight loss? Now, tortilla wrap can be good for weight loss and can be bad for weight loss. Why do I say this? What you put in your tortilla determines whether it is healthy or not. When you put in junk food, then automatically your wrap is disqualified to be healthy. Hence, distract or destroys your weight loss journey. On the other hand, when you put in healthy foods or healthy vegetables, then you are on the right path to making your weight loss journey a successful one. So if you're considering on going on a weight loss journey, then try as much as possible to include only healthy vegetables and meat or fishes in your tortilla wraps. Now I continue with the rest of the tortillas as you can see in the video. If today is the first time on this channel, my name is Iyamikash, and on this channel we do homemade food recipes. So consider subscribing if you are into homemade food recipes and also getting some food inspirations. Don't forget to share it out to family and friends. And above all, you can ask me any question in the comment section and I will gladly reply to you. Once I'm done with the wrap in a pan which is very hot, I place them in for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that's the tortilla wrap I made. And I hope you are inspired to try your hands on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you around next time for another food inspirational video. So then, always remember to do everything in love. Cheers.